Alright, let's do the room tour. This is 13070Z. You just touch your band to the thing and you walk in. And this is your view. So let's walk on through. Walk on to the left. You have a nice little desk area there. Mini fridge. Got this big old mirror. TV. We do have a balcony room out there. The weird thing about this balcony is you have to keep the door locked or your air conditioner will turn off. So if you go outside, obviously it's going to turn your air off. So we're not going to go out there right now, but that's our view of Miami right now. But we got the wonderful bed. There is USB ports right there, 2 USBs, 1 US plug. On that side, a little stand. And on this side, you just got the light switches. Looks like. There's the USBs right there. The cool thing with this bed, it's supposed to turn to a couch, but they don't do that anymore. They just leave it as a bed. So now let's see what kind of storage we have. We got 2 little places right there. This is the closet, safe, and all of these drawers. Then if you want to hang something, you got that. There's a rack up there. There's a statue or something in there. And then right here is where you have to tell your room attendant to make up your room or not. So that's pretty cool. And then your bathroom. This is probably a cozy bathroom. Got the toilet. Sink. Mirror. Hello. And the shower. You got the rain shower. So, yeah. Oh man, that door's in the way.
You missed one thing.
This room is tight.
You missed one thing.
What did I miss?
Secret storage.
The statue's talking.
Secret storage.
Where's the secret storage?
This is supposed to be a drawer. But I don't know if it opens or not. Looks like it's closed shut. Oh, there it is. Secret storage.
There you go. That's the secret storage. Yeah. So this is room 13070Z on the Scarlet Lady. First time on Virgin. It is a balcony. We're gonna enjoy it. We're just getting in the room, so all of our stuff's here. Room attendant came. Yeah. So they make your bed one time in the mornings. It's time to go explore the ship. Let's do it. All right, so here's a cool thing about Virgin's rooms. It's these tablets right here. This tablet controls everything in your room. It's like a smart room, so to speak. It controls the lights, the curtains, the TV. So we're gonna start with the lights. And now that I'm showing this, I hope it works. So when you come in here, if you press the button for all lights, it turns all of the lights on in the room. I know it's kind of hard to see, so let's close the curtains.
Which button did you mash?
I mashed this button. Seems like it struggles sometimes with that.
There it goes.
Okay. So as you can see, it does that. Now you can see all the lights and stuff. It has moods for the lights. If you scroll down, it has get it on.
Changes everything to red.
They have one called photo shoot.
Opens the curtain. puts these color lights on.
Alright, so they have one called Zen.
Can't really see. Makes everything blue.
The next one is Pumped Up.
Bright light.
And the last one is Hangover. Let's let the curtains close. And Hangover kind of makes everything purple. Alright. So if you go back to the room controls, as you can see, it has ceiling light.
5%.
It has everything there. It shows you that. You can control your air conditioner with this. Alright, then we're going to click on Entertainment. It has movies. This is the movies while we're on the ship. We started watching A Man Called Otto last night. We didn't finish it because we fell asleep. And then your services if you want to order something.
You get fresh towels, cabin clean, bed made, water ice, laundry pickup, and maintenance.
And you can even call 911 on this thing if you have to.
You might not want to do that.
Alright, so now let's try to use it as a TV remote. Let's turn the TV on. So you mash the TV.
Voila!
And as you can see, you can do that. So let's go back to Entertainment. Let's go to View All Movies. And then do this. That's your daily planner on the TV. That shows everything going on. If you're a sports person, they got ESPN. As you can see, it has soccer.
Hey, we've been looking for that.
We've been looking for that. We didn't know it was there, but that's the front camera.
We like looking out.
Yeah. Alright, so let's see what else we can find on here. Anyways, let's get some light in here. We need some light. So we can see. But anyways, the tablet, the smart tablet, as you can see, controls your whole room, air conditioner, and all that good stuff. So that's a cool feature on the Virgin ships you can't find anywhere else. Interesting. I like it. Alright, this is the balcony on a Sea Terrace Room. As you can see, we have one chair and the hammock on this side. And one chair and a table on this side.
And some cruise hair. Don't care.
We got Amanda with her cruise hair don't care shirt. Check it out in the store if you like it. It's in the description. But yeah, it's a pretty good balcony. A lot of people have asked us, what kind of positions can you do in the hammock? Well, Amanda is going to show us.
We'll see. If I don't fall.
Yeah, if she don't fall. Let's put her head in there. So, this is just a sitting as a rocking chair.
And you can take a nap.
So, that's using it as a bed.
See y'all later. Amazing. So, I guess you'd have to get like on top of me if you put two people in here. I don't know. I don't know about turning sideways. Let's see. And now they said turn sideways?
Yeah.
How do you turn sideways?
You put your feet like that.
I feel like a contortionist. Okay, so you can sit sideways. You can be in a cocoon. I don't know what else you could do.